Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Blink floodlight camera in 2026. So first of all, you need to start with a simple restart. For that, you just have to remove the batteries from the camera. Then simply wait for about 30 to 60 seconds. Then insert the batteries back. Now this particular reset is going to clear any temporary glitches and is often enough to fix small issues like lagging or delayed responses. Now if the issue continues, you can perform a full reset. For that, you need to simply locate the reset button on the camera. It usually near the back or inside the battery compartment. Afterwards, you need to press this reset button and wait for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding until you see a blinking red light. When you see the light, it simply means that the camera has been reset and it is ready for the setup. Now, if your camera is linked to the sync module, you need to remove the camera from the Blink application first. Then you need to reset the camera physically using this reset button. After that, you can add it again through the sync module, and this particular step ensures a clean reconnection. So this is how you can reset your Blink floodlight camera in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.